Good morning, brothers and sisters. It's another beautiful day. Rain last night, and still kind of misting right now, and that really is the best time to get outside and get your bare feet on the earth. I mean, so powerful when we do that. So powerful when we take time to get our bare feet out on the earth and make that connection. You know, I feel strongly about the fact that we were engineered a certain way, created a certain way, and that certain way falls in alignment with how the earth functions and how we can make that connection, how we were born to have that connection, and how that impacts our well-being, how that impacts our health. Look around. There's lots of people that are disconnected, not only from the earth, but from themselves. And so I know that this is just one practice. This is just one practice that you can incorporate, that you can make a habit of. And in doing so, you're going to reap the rewards. And that's why I continue to make these videos that may be repetitive. And the whole point is that repetition is the mother of all learning.